Okay. Okay. Here we go, guys. Trying to record this. Here it is, a Monday night. All I got to say is 2 weeks with the Tesla, and it will change your life for the better. I didn't know what to think. Years ago when they first came out, they were out of my price range. I couldn't afford them. But they're getting to the point now where anybody can get a Tesla. And all I have to say is it's mind-boggling. Here it is, a Monday night. This is my wife's car. This is not my daily driver. So the ideal range on charging this particular Tesla is recommended from 80 to 20. Keep it around 80% max. Don't charge up to 100% for your daily use. So I'm fixing to plug it in just to make sure we have it topped off. And you can see here, it will focus. We're at 59%. Not bad. Mileage today, my wife probably traveled about 50, a little over 50 miles for the day with the kids and stuff. So that's her commute, daily commute, picking up kids, getting back home. And the beauty of it is we don't have to go hit a gas station anymore. I just plug in here at the house. So she starts off every day full tank, ready to go. Well, not full, a 80% battery. So an 80% battery would get her quite a bit of mileage. What 59% it shows here, 211 miles. Now, for most people, that would get you a lot of places. I could, in theory, leave this car, hey, just drive it again tomorrow. But me, I'm gonna be ready in case something comes up, you need it. Plug it in so she'll start the day at 80% every day. Can't go wrong with that. But I'm gonna do some more videos like this, just documenting switching from a Ford Expedition for my wife to a Tesla Model Y 2026, the Juniper model. So love the look of the car. I mean, it's everything we imagined and better. The spaciousness, the full self-driving it's one of those things wasn't too sure about it, but after living with it now for 2 weeks, it's a game changer. So if you have any questions about owning a Tesla, buying a Tesla, please drop me a comment on this video. I'm going to try to make some more Tesla content around this. So I'm going to start documenting more of it. And I need to get me an actual camera. So this is just my cell phone. I'd like to be able to get a camera so I could show you all the different stuff on the app, because there's a really nice Tesla app that you can use to do a lot of stuff as well. A lot of functionality with it. So anyways, we'll catch you on the next one. Stay safe. Be sure to like and subscribe. Adios. Yeah.